Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my mini bike project. The last video I talked about getting these wheels torn down and cleaned up. I'm going to sandblast them and I'm going to powder coat them with a chrome powder coat. The chrome powder coat it's not like a really true chrome, it's more like a polished aluminum. But for what I'm going to use it for, I think it'll work okay with these wheels. It'll make them look real nice. After sandblasting them and getting them cleaned up, they're pretty well pitted. I think that's just from how old they are. And if you notice, there's some cracks right there where I've got the screws coming out. I think that's from when they attached the rear sprocket to the wheel. The previous owner must have really cranked down on it. Just all the stress and stuff and the age probably just cracked it. But I'm still going to use them. Maybe after a while I'll get some new wheels. The front wheels were perfect. There was no cracks, just some pitting, I guess, just because of the age. But I think they're going to be fine, and once I get them powder coated, they'll work good. But again, maybe after a while, if I notice it's starting to crack more, I'll get a new set. Well, they're all done. They came out okay. Like I said, they're not perfect. You can see some of the pitting still, but they'll be good for what I need them for. I ended up getting my tires and tubes off of Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive, but I got them mounted up on the wheels, put some air in them, and kind of mocked it up on the bike to see how it would look. I don't know if you notice in the background, I did have the engine tore apart. That'll be another video, probably part 3. But for now, this is what we got, and so far so good. I've got some more stuff to show later. Thanks for watching.